Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is a very powerful video, and in today's video we are going to discuss how to remove any obstacle which is in your wealth or finances. And this video is for all people who are living in developed countries or in western countries, because we have got so many inquiries from North America, certain from European countries, and couple of from Australian, that is Australia and New Zealand as well. So they wanted that how to win a lotto, right? Is there any spell which can help them to win a lotto? This is the powerful video which is going to help you to win a lotto of any amount, whether you are in North America or you are in the other part of the world. So before starting this, I would request all of you that do try this method, because Almighty God has written something special for each and everyone. Do watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any instructions. For this, you would be requiring two coins. I have already got two coins, right? And a one pendant. This pendant must have the photograph of any temple, any shrine, any angel, any prophet. It must have the photograph, right? I'm having the pendant with one of the shrine's photo inscribed on it, and little bit of salt is also required, which is already with me right now. This is the white salt which we put into the our daily food items. So what we need to do and how we need to do, please listen that very carefully, because this is the spell which can change your life completely. Now for this, what you need to do, you need to get two coins. One coin you need to put like this, that is the upward direction, and the other coin should be on the downward direction, that is the opposite direction to the first coin. Along with this, there would be a pendant which you have to put between these two coins. This work can be started only on full moon day. It should not be half moon. It should not be dark. It should not be there that is 50 to 30% moon is there. So complete full moon has to be there, right? Now after this, what you are going to do, in the morning time you will take little bit of salt pinch, which I have already taken. Look, it's in my hand. Will put over the first coin, as I have put, if you are able to see it, and little bit of again salt, and I'm gonna put it on the second coin. So if you are able to see it properly, that I have put little bit of salt on both these coins. After this, once you have started this work, now what's the timing, people would be asking. Once you have observed the full moon, that is in the night time when the full moon is fully occupied, you can start this spell. After that, you need to meditate for 10 to 15 minutes and have to chant this powerful spell, powerful mantra, which is going to be in front of you right now, right? So the powerful mantra is this: Lakshmi Sammohan Karvai, right? This is the powerful mantra. Let me little bit zoom out this so that everyone is able to see it completely. It's Lakshmi Sammohan Karvai. This spell you need to chant for minimum 200 times. Minimum of 200 is required. Once you've chanted, what you will do, you will take these two coins in your right hand and in your left hand. Listen it very carefully. In your right hand and in your left hand, you will pick them up. Left hand coin like this, you are going to throw the salt which is there on this coin at the front yard of your house. In the front you need to throw the salt, not the coin. Then with this coin you are going to throw the salt at the backyard of your coin, not the coin. Only the salt needs to be thrown out. Once you have done it, you will come back and you will put these two coins as it is with this pendant. Once you have done it, right? Once you have done it, you are going to meditate for 5 to 10 minutes more and will attract the lotto energy around you, so that when you play the lotto next time, all the vibes, natural forces, powers of angels are around you to make sure that you win the lotto completely, right? This step you need to follow till the moon is over. That is, moon has completely vanished. It's a complete dark night. So probably it will last for 13 to 14 days. The time and place of this spell needs to be the same. Second thing, once the first dark night has come, you will keep these two coins in your wallet along with the pendant when you are playing the lotto. In your dream, the most important thing is that you will be getting the numbers. Those numbers you need to play. At what time you need to play, all these instructions will be clear to you in your dream. So this is the most authentic and powerful spell which has been used by many spellcasters, even yogis, saints, that people take their help to win the lotto. This is the spell you can use to explore your inner potential of winning the lotto. Whoever has tried this spell have never ever got any failure and have been always successful in achieving the results. If you have any doubt, please feel free to call or message us on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.